Okay, real quickly on your running mate choice. Republicans are saying she's nothing more than what, a social worker with no government experience or budgeting experience. How do you respond to that?
Well, as is frequently the case in a political campaign, things are said that are absolutely false, misleading, and untrue. Yvette McGee Brown is a lawyer. There's nothing wrong with being a social worker. Social workers are wonderful, honorable people. And so we honor social workers. But the truth is that Yvette McGee Brown is an attorney, a graduate of the Ohio State University School of Law. She has served in the Attorney General's office as a legal counsel. She has been the legal counsel for the Department of Rehabilitation and Corrections in the past. She's been the legal counsel for the Department of Youth Services in the past. She has been a Franklin County judge, common pleas judge. She is currently presiding over a $30 million budget with, I believe, perhaps as many as 400 employees at the Center for Families and Children Advocacy at the Nationwide Children's Hospital. She brings vast experience to the job of Lieutenant Governor. And so how do you respond to something that is obviously little more than political rhetoric that is in no way related to reality? She's a superbly qualified person, and I feel very fortunate to have her. You know, the people of Central Ohio know Yvette McGee Brown, and soon people all over Ohio will know her. But the people who know her are those in the social service field, the business community. Everybody in Central Ohio knows of the quality of this person, knows of her competency, her strength, her commitment to public service. And so I am happy to have her. I think she's going to serve Ohio well.
There were a lot of names thrown around in the recent months and weeks. Mayor Jay Williams up in Youngstown is one. What made Judge Brown float to the top of the list here?
Well, I have been aware of her for some years. And in fact, more than 3 years ago, I talked to her about the possibility at some point of being my partner. And so she is superbly qualified. She is a person who has great charisma, tremendous communication skills, and she is an inspiring individual. And so I wanted her because it does add diversity to the ticket, she being a woman and an African American. I wanted someone with competency, and she obviously has demonstrated that. I wanted someone who was committed to public service and who shared my values and my political philosophy. And we share so much in that regard. And so she just seemed to be, the most appropriate choice for me, and that's why I approached her. And after some period of really discussing about what that would mean, she decided that she was willing to accept this challenge, and I'm very happy she did. And I think we're a good team, and I look forward to an energizing campaign.
Will she hold a cabinet position?
We really haven't discussed that. I can tell you she will be a very prominent person in this campaign, both in terms of campaigning and in terms of strategy and in terms of policy development. And once elected as the Lieutenant Governor, she may choose to occupy a cabinet position or some other challenge within the administration, but we haven't talked about that in specifics.